What's up, everyone? Let's get the music back on. There we go. Hopefully that's not too loud. Hopefully my mic sounds good. Welcome back, everyone. I haven't done a live stream in a while, but welcome back to Our Crypto Life. Here on YouTube, I am live. This is a live stream, so here we go. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone joining in to the stream. And as you can tell by the title of this video, if you're watching this and you're not watching it live, you're kind of wondering what's with this FTX crash. I mean, what's going on? So today I'm actually going to go over it, and we're going to read some articles, and we're going to see what FTX's or FTT tokens price is right now. As of, let's see, it's midnight on the 14th. So technically the morning of the 14th is just past midnight. So we'll take a look and see what the price is, but I wanted to jump right into it here, and we are going to talk about this man right here, Sam Bankman-Fried. If you've noticed, I've done a lot of YouTube shorts recently, kind of like funny things here and there. I know it's a serious situation. A lot of people, probably lost millions of dollars, if not a lot of money on this, but I'm trying to basically, I don't know. Oh, let's get the music back. Sorry. I'm trying to bring some light on it, but it is a very serious thing. And as you can see by the title of this article by Make It, it says FTX's Sam Bankman-Fried lost billions, and then the company filed for bankruptcy. So in case you guys didn't hear, this company, FTX, filed for bankruptcy, Chapter 11 bankruptcy the other day. And this guy went from having billions of dollars to zero. And the very first thing in this article, it says FTX is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms. At the peak, it was worth $32 billion. That's right, $32 billion that this company was worth. However, on November 11th, now keep in mind it's the 14th now, just a couple days ago, they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So what caused this whole thing right here? I mean, what caused the bankruptcy? They were doing really well, having these billions of dollars, but what happened? So we're going to talk about it right here. Let's get rid of this ad here. So it says right here that he actually resigned from the company, and this article is by CBS News, by the way. But the Chapter 11 is hopefully gives them an opportunity to maximize recoveries for its stakeholders. And that's the biggest thing right there is, they're trying to figure out, hey, how can we get all this money off the platform to give back to people, because, all these people are out of money here. And you can see this is kind of on Fortune here. This is kind of like a live timeline here of things that happen. So we can see Kraken froze accounts possibly related to FTX at 11:33 p.m. And this is when things were kicking off and being very serious. At 9:42 p.m., he was actually interviewed by police in the Bahamas. So I know there's a lot of speculation, like, hey, I don't know where Sam Bankman-Fried is. They knew he was in the Bahamas, but a lot of people didn't know. Hey, is he in hiding? Does he not want to get arrested or what? So it actually says he was interviewed by the police and regulators on Saturday, and he didn't immediately respond to requests for this. However, it says he did, be interviewed by security over there, and it says that in the U.S. he's facing scrutiny from the Securities and Exchange Commission over whether he broke securities rules. So that's another thing too. Is can this guy go to jail for the things that happened? Now, here it is right here. You can see that he had a net worth. This is by foxbusiness.com, and he evaporated to zero. Now, the biggest thing right here is FTX at this time is down in the last 24 hours 17%. So now the price is $1.69. It's only $1.69. And you can see the 24-hour, the high was $2.08 here. You can see the market cap has dropped tremendously. It's 224 million right now. And you can see, let's pull up this 7-day chart here. So you can see right here, back on November 7th, it was worth $22.06. And now it's literally worth $1.68 as I talk in this live stream here. But you can see it dropped, and then suddenly it went from $19.01 on November 8th all the way down to, let's see here, the bottom, $3.59. So that dropped tremendously here. Now you can see between November 8th and 9th, which we just saw the chart, it says that his net worth plummeted to $991 million. It's about a 94% drop from his estimated $15.2 billion. Now, I uploaded a short the other day that basically, he could have predicted, he may have predicted his bankruptcy here, because just about last month he did an interview, and you can see in my YouTube shorts, and he said, all these companies, they go bankrupt in about 4 days, and then suddenly he goes bankrupt. So that's a big thing right there. I just thought that was crazy. He did this interview about a month ago, and he goes bankrupt. But as I said, we're going to talk about basically what happened. So I'll zoom in a little bit here for you guys here. But it says, so we all know Binance's CEO, he goes by CZ, commonly known as CZ. He initially invested into FTX in 2019, but later sold his controlling stake in 2021, is what Ritter said. And then he paid about $2.1 billion worth of FTT. Now the thing is, they found a leaked balance sheet that revealed the value of Bankman-Fried's crypto trading firm, Alameda Research, which you saw their CEO. I'm sure you guys have seen pictures of their CEO everywhere. And yeah, that leaked balance sheet showed some shady things. It basically didn't sit well with CZ. So what he did on November 6th, he said that his company would liquidate any remaining FTT, so the FTX token, due to recent revelations. And what that happened, when you have a big CEO of a big company like Binance saying, hey, we're going to liquidate everything because we found something we did not like, that triggered fear among investors, and this whole thing kicked off, all right? Now, and then all these things are coming out, all these articles, all this information is coming out that, hey, there's been some shady stuff happening with FTX and this CEO and, Alameda, and all this information's coming out. So it's probably good that this actually happened, because can you just imagine years down the road when, you put money into this central exchange here, and then you can't get your money, which is what happened now. But let's say years and years and years goes on and they've been doing some shady stuff. Yeah, it would have been even worse. Not that things aren't worse right now, but they are pretty bad right now. I'm just saying it could be worse. It could have been worse. On this article here that I've been talking to on Make It, it says, what happens to crypto traders on the FTX platform as it collapses? So it says the first thing traders need to do now is to understand the legal duty that an exchange has to them. Like many crypto exchanges, FTX's insurance coverage only addresses certain criminal events such as theft or fraud. Now, there is no insurance coverage just because the exchange fails. And this is a big thing. All right, this is a big thing that people are saying, hey, yeah, companies, all these crypto exchanges say, hey, yeah, we provide insurance, we'll cover you, blah, blah, blah. But like this article just says, they're not going to cover you if the exchange fails. And I did a previous video, I'll leave a link in the comments actually, talking about Coinbase, all right? So if you leave your coins on a central exchange, they can take those coins and basically liquidate it so that way they don't go out of business or, go bankrupt. That's the biggest thing. Like, you should never keep a huge amount, if any, money on a central exchange. You need to put them over in your wallets and your ledgers, and you need to let it sit there, and you need to stake them or do whatever you want to do with them and just keep a hold of them. But they should not be on a central exchange, because you risk losing all your crypto that you've gained, for all the time that you've invested and put money in, and that's your money. These companies can just take it. So I definitely recommend that you guys, if you have crypto on a central exchange, you take it out right now, if not very soon, because there's been a lot of back and forth, like, hey, what is the next exchange that's going to crash? Is it going to be Binance? Is it going to be Coinbase? You know, is it going to be any other crypto.com? Crypto.com is the next big thing that people are afraid of. And I actually have a poll on my Twitter page that I'll pull up right now. Just trying to find it. I posted it earlier today. And I asked, like, hey, what do you think is the next central exchange is going to fail? So I'll pull that up right now. And right here, I said, what crypto exchange do you think is going to fail next? Now, this poll is open. You can still vote on it. Just go to my Twitter page. It's right here at our Crypto Life. You can give me a follow. And people are predicting 52.4%. Now, there's only 63 votes right now, and I do have over 3,000 followers. However, there's 6 days left of this poll here, and 52.4% are thinking Crypto.com is going to go next. There's been a lot of fear of Crypto.com. All right, so yeah, I definitely recommend you guys vote on my poll. Leave a comment, either in, well, go ahead and leave a comment after this video is over or in the live stream right now, whoever's here, and let me know what you think, what other central exchange you think is going to fail next, if you think it's Crypto.com, Binance, or Coinbase, etc. Because I'm really curious. You know, I have a Crypto.com Visa card. You know, I had to put the CRO to get it. It's just the standard, the red one, the fire one, or whatever, ruby red. And then, you know, this is before they changed everything on Crypto.com with like the fees and all that stuff. So I don't really use it that much. However, I do have all those CROs, my, you know, crypto coins, Crypto.com coins, still on the central exchange, because you have to keep it there if you get the debit card. So, you know, as soon as my period is done, my staking period, I can take that off and, you know, put it like in my Kepler wallet, for example, since it has Crypto.com capability of that wallet. So, you know, that's really the only thing. Luckily, it's not too much money. I do have maybe like 20 bucks on Coinbase or something. Now, when I first started investing into crypto back in January this year of 2022, I'll be honest, I did not use a cold wallet or a ledger or anything. I went to Coinbase. I bought, you know, first I bought AMP. That was my first one, which I got rid of because it's just failing. But I got, you know, I was buying my crypto on Coinbase. I was keeping it on Coinbase, and then, you know, suddenly my balance just started to grow and grow and grow. Then I started doing research, and, you know, I did all this research and found out, and then I found the Cosmos ecosystem, which my channel is mainly about, Cosmos ecosystem. So if you guys don't know what the Cosmos ecosystem is, definitely go check it out. It's my favorite. It's the thing I heavily invest in, is Atom token. So go check it out right now. I have links in my description. So yeah, when I found all this information out, I took it off Coinbase and put it in my wallets with ledgers attached and everything. So I definitely recommend you guys do that as well. And yeah. There's just one thing I have to say right now. Hold on, but wait, 93.7% of you watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So please do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and increase those numbers, especially if you want to be eligible for some giveaways coming up. All right, guys. Well, this is the end of the stream. I'll match the videos up here when this is over. But thanks for joining. I hope you guys didn't lose, you know, any money, if not too much, with FTX. And I wish you guys the best of luck. Thanks for joining my live stream. For you guys that have joined, if you're watching this after the live stream is over, I know it's late. It's after midnight tomorrow, or I guess technically today's a Monday. It's a working day. Definitely leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next live stream.